think most of the people in here are familiar with the old Paul Harvey saying, now for the rest of the story. And so I want to just kind of give you the final update, the rest of the story with regard to the Dominican Water Project. I've actually had several people ask me, well, did it work? You know, did we actually get water running? And what's unique about all these slides, and this is the first time they've been displayed here, most of them, what you see there is running water. And give yourselves a hand. This is pretty cool. I don't know if you all realize this, but for those of you that maybe are new to the club or are visitors, this club is responsible for there being running water for 1,000 people in the Dominican Republic that previously had no water. And the rest of you all know all the details, and if I don't need to belabor that or anything, but I wanted to actually read to you, and the reason I wanted to show you these pictures, but then I wanted to read to you an email that I just received from the Director of Appropriate Technologies for the Peace Corps in the Dominican Republic. And I'm just going to read the highlights. In an email to me, he wrote, I stopped by Kenzie's site a couple of weeks ago with PCVL, which I assume means, I'm not Peace Corps volunteer, but it's the engineer. You guys that went down there remember Mark, engineer Mark Humberstone, to evaluate the project. It is incredible how well the system is working. I was concerned that the ferro cement tank would have issues, but all the cracks have sealed themselves. People are super happy. Mark is actually writing a success story article on this, and hopefully we will get you all a copy. Later in his email he says, we really enjoyed working with the St. Cloud Rotary Club and really appreciate all your support. I do hope we have a chance to work together again. Please give my regards to all the club members who visited us. We look forward to hearing from you. So that's from the Peace Corps in the Dominican Republic. So again, thanks everybody.